Hello everybody. Today we are going to talk about the video watermarking. As we all know, every day tons of data is embedded on digital media or distributed over the internet. And this data can be easily replicated without any errors, putting the rights of the owners at risk. So the watermarking algorithms were found in order to guarantee these rights. Today I'm going to show you one of the watermarking algorithm, which is the least significant bit algorithm. At the first step, I'm going to show you the design flow of this project. This is the flow chart, which represents the design flow. First of all, we have the original video. Then this original video will be framed. After that, each frame is at the RGB system. So each frame will be split in the R, G, and B components. After that, we have the watermark image, which will be converted from the RGB to the grayscale. Then a Hamming code will be added to this watermark image. After that, this watermark image will be inside each frame of the R, G, and B components. After applying the least significant bit technique, we will recombine the R, G, and B components in order to get a one frame, which is the RGB. After that, a reassembling will be done to gather all the frames. Then we will have the watermark video as an output. So the first step is to open the MATLAB. Here's the main code for this project. This code shows the graphical user interface and all the steps that I have talked about in the flow chart. Okay, this is the code. And we have the least significant bit implemented as a function in MATLAB, since it will be a recursive function. Okay, this is the function right here. Okay, after running this code, a graphical user interface will appear. Here I have taken a snapshot for you in order to save time. This is the GUI that we have made using the MATLAB. It is watermarking. We can see here this Write Me button right here. This is a help menu, shows you the steps how to do the watermarking. And we have this button right here, which is watermark your video. Okay, this is the help menu showing the steps. Press the watermark video button, then choose the image you want to watermark your video using it. Choose any video you want to watermark and wait some time to get the results done. So also there's this statement right here, shows that your results will be saved on on your computer. Okay, this is the selection. From here we select the video and the watermarking image that we want to embed. Okay, now I'm going to show you the results. All you have to do is to go to the D at your computer, and you will find that after running your code, there will be the watermarking project, this file. You have to double click it. Here you can see several folders. The first folder I want to show you is the frames folder. We're gonna double click it. Here we can see the frames of the video. As you can see, we have almost 900 frames. The original video is a 30-second long, and the framing rate is 30 frames per second. So we got this number right here. Here's the frames, a lot of frames. Okay, after that I'm going to show you the RGB components, which is blue, green, and red components. We're gonna open this. Okay, this is the red component of the frames, as we can see. Okay, also I want to show you that we have the same number of frames. Here's the red, here's the blue. This is the blue component. Okay, now we will show you the green component also. This is the green component. Okay, now we have these folders, the LSB blue, LSB green, and the LSB red. These files contains each component of the RGB image with the LSB applied on them. As you can see, the image has been resized. Okay, this is the blue component with the LSB. This is the green component with the LSB. And finally, this is the red component with the LSB. Okay, as a final step, we have the recombining the RG and B components into one RGB image. Here's the final frame. Okay, as you can see, there's a little bit distortion in the color and the image size, which is normally okay. Finally, we will find this output video file. You're gonna double click it. This is the watermarked video. I'm going to show you now. I'm going to play it. Here's the output video. So like this, after applying this least significant bit algorithm, you can guarantee that your video is totally secured. And thank you for listening.